So like this. So JavaScript crude example. Okay, so for tutorials they have given. So what I'm doing is I'm going to give my name and my email ID. So salary, I'll be giving some 50 and CTS 77. Okay, like this I've given. I'm just adding the information. So okay, whatever the information I'm giving, it is adding. Okay. The next thing is I can also edit this. So edit in the sense I can go again. I can change the values. See here the salary has been updated. I don't want these details. This employee has been removed. So I can also delete this operation. So how I can do this? Better what I can do is, so this is a basic thing. So let me show it in a notepad. Okay. So they have created the HTML file. So this is the HTML file. Okay. And here they have linked, script file and the style.css. I think the script we have included or not. Oh yeah, it is also included. So like this, I have created some, three files. After doing it, what I will do, just I'm saying it in the same folder. Go and check here. You can see the crude operation. What happened? I have some three files: index.html.js and .css file. Okay. So as of now, do you have any questions? Just think and tell me. So while doing your things, I already told you, like you might have a front end. Okay. So you can create a project use a front end, or you can go with backend also. You can also have a database, whatever you prefer. But as of now, what I have executed, it is just a front end. Okay. So you can create a front end alone, or you can create a full stack web development, whatever you prefer. As of now, do you have any questions with this problem statement and the technologies? Please let me know. There is as of now no doubts, right, ma'am? Can we create a static web page using only front end? Static page in the sense, you are saying like only using HTML and CSS that you are trying to say, or can you elaborate it, ma'am?
Yes,
Yeah.
only HTML, CSS.
Okay, Manisha, you can also do that. But what I request you, because you have some time, right? So we are in, that is today is Wednesday. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we have one more week solidly. Okay, you can submit on Monday also if possible. I'm telling. Okay, so try to do with HTML, CSS. Okay, that is also good. But I request you to create some crude operations. Crude operation in the sense create, read, update, and delete. If you have these things in your project, it will easily get selected. So I'm going to evaluate your code. Okay, the first thing is your code should run perfectly and you should give some good results. What I have show, so example, I have given some detail and submitted. It was updated. I edited and I also deleted, right? So everything I'm doing here. The same thing I need in your project also. Yes, you can also do using HTML, CSS, but a small note. If you add a crude operation, it will be useful for your career when you are approaching any companies. Okay, so that is my small concern. Yes, you can also do using HTML and CSS. Is any other doubts, guys? If you have any doubts, you can ask me because I am going to discuss many informations with you. Okay, because this is our final thing. You need to submit some PPT and that is Word document. And one more thing is your project execution file. Okay, so these are the three things you are going to submit with me. I'll tell you how to submit it. Okay, so give me some 2 minutes. I'll let me show you. Okay, ma. Let me show you. Um, yeah. So yeah. The first thing what I have told you is problem statement. I think I already provided the Excel sheet, right? In that Excel sheet example, you can give the problem statement name as, I can give like, okay, I'm just going to create some real-time application for my organization. Okay. So we have some real-time applications for example, we have some Microsoft Teams and Google, chats. There are so many things are there, right? Like that, example, I'm working in any particular organization. So in that, I feel like my information is sharing somewhere else. Okay, what I'm considering is okay. I don't want any other applications to be sharing our organization information. So what I'm trying to do is, as a developer, I'm trying to create a real-time application for my organization. Okay, so what is the problem statement here? It is a real-time application for my organization. Why I'm going for this? For privacy purpose, I'm going to use this. So like this, you should have any special kind of things in your project. So what is your problem statement is all about. Another example, if example okay, let me check with another. Let's take this online PDF to text converter and language translator. So I can tell you one a different example. Okay, this is the another example I can say. Uh, okay, I have the language. If example, I'm in the Teams. Okay, so we are using Microsoft Teams, right? So what I'm trying to do, I cannot do it in the Microsoft Teams. You can take any kind of applications. Okay, so or YouTube, or it may be a video streaming. We can say it as a video streaming. So what I'm trying to do is here I'm trying to give a subtitles with the voice recognitions of what? So both all the languages, like it will be in English, it will be in Tamil, it will be in Telugu, or it will be in Kannada. Okay, so like this, there are so many languages are there, right? So my video streaming is going to be like this. So I'm going to change it in this way. So this is my problem statement. So why I'm going to use video streaming? Because of, for the people, translation purpose, we are using it. So like this, you can have your problem statement. And in your project, per project, okay, so there should be a maximum of 3 students only. Okay, so that your if your project is just a front end, you can have it as a maximum of 3. If it is a full stack development, you are going to use front end, back end, and database, then you can take some 5 students. Okay, so this is first thing I need from you, that is your problem statement. Okay, and I need how many students are going to participate and what is the group number. Okay, and the second one is your abstract in the sense, example, 1 minute. Okay, so abstract is nothing but example. What is the problem statement is all about. So let me show you. I don't know where did I say it. Okay, so I think in the attendance. Let me take it. Actually, if you see here, okay, not here. Okay, no problem. So actually, the previous students have given the abstract, so I try to show that to you. So abstract is nothing but what it is for and what are the technologies you are going to use, and each and everything like a small description you can give. So let me show it here. Abstract for a project. So see here, the abstract should be no more than 250 words, and you have to write it either in the, okay, you don't want to write it in the word and all. As of now, you can directly give it in the Excel sheet itself. Okay, and so detailed, uh, the brief, a project brief. Okay, okay, so a brief about project, and next the third part is this. So after giving the problem statement and abstract, I need your capstone project sample PPT. Okay, this you should complete. So I'll tell you what all these. The first thing is you need to give whether that is TES means nothing but Tech-Saksham, and it is for web, right? So just mention web, and what is the project title. If example I have a project title as real-time application, I'll be giving the name as real-time application. And who is going to present? So presented by whom? That your name and your college name you can prefer, and then guided by whom, so you can give my name, that is a trainer name, and next to that the outline. So in this outline you need to give what is the abstract problem statement and aims objective proposed system. So it is very simple, ma. If you check with each and everything, you will get a brief description. Okay, so okay, so these are the first slide you see, it's about abstract and problem statement. What is problem statement and what is the solution you got it from there. So if you take here this situation, so real time application, it is for my organization. Why I'm going for this? For privacy. So for privacy, what I did, I created a application. So what special thing I got a solution. You need to explain it, and system architecture. So for that, how it is working. So that system architecture you need to use, and how the user is going to, the system deployment approach is going to be. For algorithm and deployment, you can give us a basic algorithm. How what is the important algorithm? So you can define that. Okay, and so this is all about a capstone project template. Let me share this in a group. Okay, okay, better I'll put it everything in the same thing. Just close this off, and now, okay, the third one is capstone project PPT. Okay, fourth one is we have something called as Tech-Saksham project report. Okay, so Tech-Saksham project report you need to submit. So what you need to mention here is, guys, don't think more complicated. Don't take it complicated. Okay, so whatever the doubt you have with you, you can ask to me. Okay, so you can create using HTML, CSS also, but try to make it as a functional thing. That is, I think it will work fine. Okay, so and if you give some full stack development, it is very nice. Actually, one of my previous student did one application, that is a website. So you see, it is more interesting. Why? Because it is about Uber. So what she have created is, if I'm traveling in a cab, okay, I don't know who's the person who's traveling in the same location somewhere. So in the same Uber, like, so for tracking purpose, she found it. Okay, and she got the Excel sheet also while selecting the button. So she's getting a Excel sheet. So what are the particular vehicles are going nearby. So she's getting a details of them. So it is really interesting project, but I don't want you to be that much, but try to do some crude operations, and also I can prefer some kind of websites for you. Finally, I'll give you. Okay, so you can refer that website and you can get some projects. I'll show you. Okay, so let me explain about this Tech-Saksham report project. So here also you need to give the project name. What is the track name? Track name is FSWD, that is full stack web development. And you need to give your roll number, name, and the trainer name, master trainer name. What is the name? An abstract. What is the abstract? And index. So in this index, the same story what you have it in the PPT, but it is somewhat different. So just give what are the tools is required for this, and how it's going to be the project architecture, what are the technologies you are going to use, and a detail working with it, and what are the if you have some project budgets, you can also mention that if it is needed, because for cloud and all if they are doing it will cost some values for them. Okay, so they have mentioned. So here, please provide the code through the GitHub repo link. So now, so we understood we need to submit the text action project report. The final one is, okay, if you see, I need your project. Okay, so for project execution, so what you guys do is, see here, I'll share you this GitHub link. I hope you know this GitHub. One second. Okay, sorry guys. So again, let me share the screen. Okay. So see here. So this is a GitHub. Okay. Actually, this is in my account. Let me share this link in the notepad itself. Okay. What I need is, see here, just create one folder here like this. I think it is recording, right? So create one folder, go here. So after the sign up, so you need to sign up. Okay. You need to sign up, and then after sign up, you'll be getting this kind of thing. So it is showing like my name is showing, right? So signed in as a Uma, Radha Uma. So like this, your name will be showing up. So after sign up, you need to create one repository. Okay. So just create one repository, or you can also create your projects, whatever. Okay, just click on this. Okay. So what we can do is, first I'll tell you how to create a repository. Just go here, click on new repository. So now I will tell you how to do this. Okay. So just give your name. Okay. Or your project name. So just what I can do. So you can give your project name here. Okay. After giving your project name, just come down and click on create repository. Sure, one second. So you are creating a this one. Okay. So here, what you do is either you can give your project details in this, or otherwise go here. You'll be having option called new, that is create a new file or upload a file. Okay, either options you can do, and so just go here and upload the files. Choose your file. Just select this. See here what happened. The capstone project, that is sample PPT, has been uploaded, and I need your Tech-Saksham project report. Just add that as well. And one more thing is I need your project execution. So let me take. I already have one project, right? So let me click on this for better. Go to the E drive. So now just drag this in this place. Okay. So after doing this, see here, I have my project folder, that is files, and I have my PPT and Tech-Saksham project. Okay. So after doing this, I think, yeah. And one more, create one more new file. Okay, I'll create one new file. So here you give your problem statement and then your abstract. Okay. So just drag this as well. So after doing all these things, you can click on commit changes. So see here, what are the things you have? You have a PPT and your capstone project and everything. Okay. So now what you need to do is, so I'm just copying this. I'm trying to open it in a. So what happens now? I can see my project in a different file. So you can see this is not in signed. I can access this. Like this you need to do. I hope everyone is clear what I'm trying to say. So let me share this link. Ma, doubts regard. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts? Please ask me now. Now, and also I'll be sharing you, the different links to go through projects. Okay, don't worry. I will also be sharing that. As of now, do you have any doubts? So you need to share like this, not in my ID. So this is actually my ID. You have to share your ID. Okay, you have to create a sign up and you need to create a repository. And the third thing is upload a capstone PPT and Tech-Saksham reports and also your project and problem statement. Okay, this is enough. Okay, so I need everything should be uploaded and share the HTTP link. So there will be something, some option is called as what it is. It is called HTTPS. Okay, so just select on the this code option, code tab. Uh, so near to, sorry, next to what, add file, and share the HTTP link. Okay, just share this link so that I can go through what you have done so far. Okay, so this link you need to share. Yes, any doubts? So if you have any doubts in sending the project, just ask me now. No doubts as of now. Yes, do you have any doubts? You can ask me. I understand. So you are silent because you're thinking. So what project you are exactly going to do, right? So now we'll discuss about a projects, what we can do. So I'll be sharing a link, the project links. I also shared with the previous batch. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Any doubts? Don't hesitate to ask. Just ask me. And also, can you please give your names in the chat box and your college name? Okay, guys. Let me share this thing. So in the meanwhile, give your attendance in the chat box. Give us about 2 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys. So now, so let me, discuss some project links. So how you can do the projects. Okay. So I have some two links with me. Okay. So the first one. Okay, as previously I told, so these are the some problem statement. Let me increase this. Okay, so here first link. Okay, just copy this. So this is for your project idea. You can do the edition and you can do it on. I think it is not working. Maybe some error. So actually this, this link is for React project ideas. Okay, I got it from the net. So see here. So this every project, okay, I think who has the question? I think Manisha, right? So Manisha, you can also design, page that is front end only using React. So React is very very simple, right? So we have already had an execution with that. So you can also do some project using React JS also. So see here, um, so what they have done, they are creating a social media app and like Facebook, Instagram. So what they are going to do is they need a user authentication, notification news feeds, and easy integrations with other platforms, and posting and sharing and commenting. So these are the things they need. Okay, so you can create using a React project, and this is an e-commerce app and weather app you can create, and you can create messaging app, you can create productive app. There are so many. Okay, so this is a link, guys, don't worry, I'll be sharing the link. Okay, and the next thing is that is full stack beginner projects. So this is actually a full stack project. Okay, this will have front end, back end, and also the database. So this is a travel log app. So if you see here, the browser travel experience of other people and add their opinion, that is experience, and add multiple factors. So how about the places and everything. So that also you can create using a merge stack. So here for this, what is this? This is a public blog app. So if you click on this, you can see all the the folders which you are going to use. They have given. So you can also extract and you can do it, but it's really just as a fresher, it is complicated to use. But try to use it. Okay, and so the previously we have seen about this is for React only. Okay, and this is for full stack. That is full stack in the sense MERN stack. MERN means what? MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. Okay, and final thing is so best MERN projects to add in your resume. Okay, so you can also create this. So actually, this is an e-commerce product, and actually, this is a course, but you just get an idea alone. Okay, and so here also I have mentioned so how to create a Manstack projects. If you want to create a project using a MERN stack, so first what you need to do, you need to use npm init, okay, and for initializing, to get the package.jsn file, you need this npm init. So if you give that, it will open. And next is creating a table. So how to create a table, and express is totally for backend. So here we have a code, and if you give a start, you need to use this port 8080. Yes, yes, Manisha.
Screen is not shared, ma'am. Screen not shared.
Hey, now only you're saying the screen is not shared. What are you doing, guys? Okay, no problem. Okay, just refer this website. Okay, see here. Here I have mentioned React. So this is everything is for React application, and this is for MERN stack applications, and this is for this is also for band stack, and this particular is how to create a MERN stack applications. Okay, so for front end, how you will be creating. So actually front end we have already done, right? So how to import the files and how to start the execution, that we have done. And also, if you want, I can also arrange one more session for you for two that is project execution. Okay, so I'll be executing Stack project also using Java and Spring Boot. Okay, I'll execute two projects, okay, mainly using Spring Boot and then your database with the front end. Okay, the another one is I'll be going with a merge stack. So if you do a project, if you know that codings, you can easily get placed in industries, and you will be getting a good package if you are good in full stack development. Okay, that is the reason I was forcing you to do it. I know it is somewhat complicated, but if you do it, it will be good. Okay, but what I will do is actually this week I don't have a schedule to have a session. So you just analyze the problem statement and what you're going to do. So just discuss among and make a team. Okay, so most probably we'll have a session on next Monday. Okay, we'll have a session on next Monday or Wednesday. We'll plan like, and I will execute a code using a Spring Boot and Manstack. That is full stack development. Okay, and also let me show you one more code. So these are the another links. So this is again for, I think it is, actually this is not a particular file which I've shared with the students. Give me a minute, let me check once again. Sorry guys. I think it is not showing here. Let me check it in the WhatsApp group. So we cannot upload the project details in Google Sheet. What should we do, ma'am? Uh, okay. Why you cannot upload the project details, ma? So is there any specific reason you have?
We are trying to update it, ma'am, but it is not changing, ma'am.
Okay. Can you Can you share me the screen now? Is it possible? Can I stop the screen? If you are able to share, just share it.
Okay, ma'am. Give me a minute, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. And just to confirm, why you guys are giving like 14, 19, and 24? I just given an example. So you can give a name as a group A or group 1 or 2. So that is enough. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Continue. Just click on save also, Maheshwari. It is showing, right? Yes, click on save. Okay, it is actually asking you to save it in your drive. Guys, please, I request you all to complete this problem statement by this week. At least give your problem statement. That is enough. Okay. So when can I expect, ma? So you guys are going to suggest me, but that is our deadline is so next week. Okay. So by next week, you need to submit your project. That is by Friday, or it can be on Saturday. That's not a problem. Okay. Just take your own time. We have 2 weeks of time, right? Just take your time. You can also create front end, and you can also create full stack development. Whatever you want, just create it and give your all the details in the GitHub link. You need to create one sign up account in GitHub and give all the details which I have mentioned in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So once you've done it, please share that to me. Clear, guys? As of now, whatever the Google Sheet, if you are facing any Google Sheet issue, you can personally send it to me. So, in which group you are, and what are the group members you have it in your project, and what is the problem statement, what is the abstract, you can directly send it personally to my WhatsApp number. Okay, I can update it. Clear, Maheshwari? If it is not working for you, you can send it to me. Okay, is anyone have any questions? Any questions? Okay, and also I'll tell you about front end development projects. Yeah. So see here, there are so many, front-end development projects are there.
Ma'am, share your screen.
You are sharing this. Oh, sorry. Thank you, ma. Okay, so see here, actually, this is one particular, that's list of front-end projects. Okay, so you can create a project using this. Actually, it has mentioned. Uh, okay, so see here, this things also you can do. Okay, so bookmark landing page and temperature convert and all. It is very simple, so don't go with that. Create some blocks. So it will be nice if you create a blocks. So it will be useful for your career also. So let me show you, friend. So not this one. I try to show some examples for you. Okay, this also will be the nice thing. So see here, we have so many different website, like agency website, restaurant website. So if I want some package, so what is all about this package and the things, I can also get the exam, that is brochures from that particular website. So that also you can create. So see here, if you see this, so run a pen. Let me check whether I can. See here, this is one website. So they have designed using a front end alone. So if you see this, it is mentioned like order now. If I click on this particular order, it should order something, or it should add, you can also add the cart. So one students have designed one particular things, like if we have Amazon's, right? So if you go and select any particular product, okay, if I'm selecting I need watch, what you will do, you will be selecting any of your that is liked ones. So I'm just selecting this. After selecting this, the students have created like no. If they click on add to cart, okay, they are click on add to cart. So what it will do, it will add the this product into the add cart, right? And how many products that particular person have added, so that will also be shown. So like this you can also create, you can create e-commerce website. So let me show you some e-commerce website. um, Okay, so like this, there are so many, shopping e-commerce website. You can take any of these templates and you can create it off. So if you want any basics of, HTML and CSS projects, you can get it from here. So here you have a simple, projects I can suggest you. So if you click on this, you can see so many things. Okay. So as of now, I think you would have understood what you have to submit for the your project submission, and also we understood how we can create a project. Example, you can also create using front end or back end or database or the entire thing. Okay, that is your wish. So you can create whatever you want. Okay, and the third thing is you need to submit your problem statement by this Saturday or before Monday. Before Monday, I need your, so before the next class, I need your problem statement with abstract. So just discuss among with your friends and please provide me. Because if you're not going to provide before Monday, I'm so sorry. Your if you are having a good attendance also, your name will be removed because you will not have any code evaluation scores. So that is the reason your course certification and placement will not be provided. So please understand the seriousness and work on it. I'm saying you again, it can also be a front end, it can also be a full stack development, whatever you want. Okay, clear guys? And I will also sharing this. Actually, I had so many links, but I don't know where I have. So one second, let me check it in the WhatsApp. Just checking on this. Give me some time.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we've got a placement opportunity from Tech-Saksham, ma'am, for village company.
Okay.
And we are supposed to fill the Google Sheet, ma'am.
Sorry, ma, your voice is not clear. Could you please repeat it
I,
again? I'm so sorry, ma, your voice is not clear, Snehita.
uh, for the registration, we have the registration form, ma'am.
Can you put it in the chat box, ma, because your voice is breaking. I cannot understand what you're saying. I'm sorry.
Okay, ma'am, I will take it out.
Okay, okay, okay. And anyone, do you have any doubts? You can ask me. And I think Dakshayani is asking some doubt. Tell me my group names, ma'am. Actually, Dakshayani, you can create. I think Dakshayani is there, right? So what I need is you need to create a project that is group among uh, among with your friends. Okay. So once you created, that is if the max that is maximum student should be of what? 3 students should be there in a single project. Clear? So you need to create a group among with your friends. So this is not my, because sometimes if I assign some students with some other students, they will not be comfortable, right? So you discuss among with your friends and you can create a group and let me know the group name alone. You can give a group name like A, B or 1, 2, 3, whatever you prefer. Okay, let me share this links also. Actually, I had big list of links, but I don't know where to take it. Okay, whatever the link I have as of now, I'll be sharing that link. Okay, so you can check it out. Does anyone have any doubts? Okay, guys, you can refer this website. Just okay.